If you've recently lost a loved one, you're probably facing the responsibility of settling their estate. And if you're like most people, you're feeling overwhelmed with grief, legal deadlines, and a long list of things you've never had to deal with before. Here's what most people don't realize. Handling an estate property isn't like a normal home sale. There are court timelines and probate protocols that most real estate agents don't even know about. But beyond the sale itself, there's everything else. Clearing out the home, repairs, cleanup, and estate sale. That's a lot to coordinate on your own. And that's where I come in. I specialize in probate and trust sales, and I've even guided families through this process thousands of times. I'm not just here to sell the home. I'm your resource for the whole thing. Need a trusted estate sales company, a clean-out crew, a handyman, or a contractor? I've got vetted people I can connect you with. So before you try to figure this out alone, reach out. Even if you're not ready to sell, let's talk about your situation and I'll point you in the right direction. Give us a call. Let's talk about how we can help you.